Government of Karnataka Department of IT and BT is proudly hosted India's first blockchain hackathon for use cases for better understanding of the technology and use cases within governance. So this is going to be one of the most disruptive hackathons ever, because it's going to use this technology within government in the next couple of weeks.
Thankful for this Karnataka government for initiating this event, and blockchain itself is a new technology in altogether.
I had an opportunity to see whether the government officials, one who has to verify, is actually working on that problem. Is he arranging any meetings, or at the end he is taking the decision, or how many review comments he got for his work.
One thing is using this one, we can bring up transparency in all the sectors, so that people can believe the achievement, all the things.
We are creating an environment for heterogeneous players, especially like the government agencies, to come together behind a single identity and offer their services for the citizens.
The government is definitely going to at least get a few ideas which they can actually implement, and which is going to help reduce corruption, also increase transparency in the system.
Here the entire system through smart contracts is becoming automated, so your human effort is quite lesser.
See, one of the things was the government also spends a lot of money in all these things. For example, if a government needs to send a person to the farmer's place to verify this, it all costs us. Probably a simple trip to the place will cost us probably 300-400 rupees. The farmer gets an actual subsidy of 100 rupees. So probably if we can save money this way, the money can even that money can go to the farmer, or a part of money is actually saved to the government also.
We bring the best features of machine learning and the blockchain to create a value system where businesses can get instant access to verified information of citizens.
We are using all cutting edge technologies. Instead of using a commercial or a code from the internet, we have built it from scratch. So it is obviously much more secure.
Developers have come from across the country and they are very enthusiastic, and a lot of people are positive about the blockchain technology and the way the technology is going to shape the future, and we are thankful for the government of Karnataka for giving us the opportunity.
In this 48 hours we have been able to come up with more than a proof of concept. It is actually a solution which is only few weeks away from even for the government to implement it into life. So the big thing is such a very focused hackathon can be a problem solver for real world issues for citizens.
Coming here is a very good experience for us, because I see the community of the blockchain here, and also the Karnataka government taking this initiative is yet another proof factor that blockchain is going to be here to stay.
We have learned here to work on the deadlines that the less time we had. Still we built something on this new technology, which is very less documentations is available. Still we managed to figure out how to build on it. So we learned about blockchain, how to work on it, what are the things which are possible on it.
Great arrangements thanks to our Karnataka governments, awaiting for many more hackathons in coming future.
It's really great to see the amazing response from the youngsters. The young brains sitting together in different halls, sleeping here, waking up and working as part of the team continuously. It's really amazing.
So if there's a technology that's really taken the technology world by storm, it's blockchain. and I think people all across the world are trying to figure out how to leverage this new infrastructure that's available. I think what's interesting about blockchain is that its impact on government, e-gov programs will be the greatest, I think, because it provides that essential element of trust factor between people and with the government as an intermediary, but with an infrastructure, technology infrastructure layer that provides all the record keeping. And that's going to be a very powerful construct. And I think it's fantastic to see the Karnataka government here take 5 different departments and 5 problem statements and present it to the startup community to allow them to build blockchain solutions around those 5 problem statements. I think there's going to be a lot of leverage coming out of blockchain as we innovate in how to incorporate it into the infrastructure of the state.
I think we should do more of this as we evolve and see what kind of solutions can come out. It's also very important for us to follow up on these hackathons and see what ideas have come in, and hence try and bring them in into solutions to see how best to get this out to the general public, because the government is best suited for trying these things out, and government of Karnataka has taken leadership position in this and very happy.
And this is going to be a continued affair where the government will trying to look at newer emerging technologies for using it within the government, and through this we also hope to encourage more startups, more innovative companies to come forward and work with the government as well. And the ultimate result of this hackathon would also to see if we can evolve a blockchain policy also. So overall it's going to be an exciting affair, and it seems to have struck the right coders, and we are looking forward to their solutions, and I'm hopeful that these solutions will solve a lot of problems plaguing the government.